We're a direct soccer, sports teamwear online retailer. We've been operating for 25 years this year, and as the business has grown, we're trying to make the operation more efficient and scale everything up. The challenge for us was, with our growth, the premises have grown and we've tripled our footprint. We wanted to use that space efficiently. We contacted Element Logic because we were looking for an e-commerce warehouse automation solution, and AutoStore was perfect because we were looking for something that could definitely grow with us. It was perfect for that. AutoStore is an aluminium grid with lots of totes stacked right on top of each other, which gives the dense storage. On the top of the grid, there's robots through Element Logic's e-manager software. The robots are then directed to a position on the grid where it will pick up whatever tote that it needs to and deliver that to the port where the operator is.
It is the heart of our business. It completely changed how we work. All our production orders will get picked from the AutoStore because it's the most efficient way of picking orders.
It's working so well for us. We've seen the benefits of it. We have 7 robots just now, and we're going to add some more.
Since the installation of AutoStore, we've seen big gains in the number of orders that we can pick and the reduction of staff needed for picking those orders. We've been able to redeploy these staff elsewhere. That in itself is fed through to customer satisfaction.
It's increased customer satisfaction because you're picking quicker and you're also getting jobs out quicker rather than taking 2 or 3 days to get jobs out.
Last year we had just over 50% growth through the first year. I've estimated there's been around 200k's worth of cost savings. AutoStore is key to the future of our business. I would definitely recommend Element Logic's AutoStore system. It's really been great.